3:40 in the afternoon. We're going camping today. I just got done with work. Can't check into the campground until 4 anyways, so another 20 minutes. The Harley is packed and I need to just throw a few last minute food items on the bike and hopefully we can get going pretty quick here. So problem, I knew it was gonna rain. It's already started. It's not very warm. So the problem with that is cool is one thing, wet is one thing, but cool and wet makes it kind of difficult to stay warm. So that's going to be our one challenge. Making a fire, keeping a fire going is going to be a bit of a challenge. Trying to keep wood dry for tomorrow. These are all things you got to consider now. I could take the truck. I could definitely take the truck. I've got the truck right now. But the bike's already packed, so I'm probably just gonna take the bike. All right, I'm gonna get home, get some coffee, finish packing up the bike, and we can hit the road. Bike is basically packed up. I wanted to bring an extra tarp, and I was also trying to find a way to keep that moto bed dry. So I just wrapped a tarp around it, strapped it to the bike, so we're good there. It's not raining at the moment, so I think we're good there. campground host was kind enough to deliver some firewood, which was really, really nice. That way I didn't have to worry about carrying it on the bike. He also dropped off a couple pieces of pine, which actually saved me later in the evening because these bundles of wood were very, very wet. You'll see me putting it underneath the picnic table. It started to rain a bit, so I started moving a little bit quicker to try to keep things dry and get things into the tent. But I put the bundles of firewood underneath the picnic table to try to keep them as dry as I could. I usually will do that, and then when I have time, I'll get them wrapped up in a tarp, or I'll build sort of a lean-to over the picnic table with a tarp. And that's usually pretty effective at keeping the wood dry. This is the Alps Mountaineering Lynx 2 tent. It's a 2-person tent, and I just recently did a video comparing it to my REI Half Dome 2 Plus. It's a pretty affordable tent on Amazon, and I think it will be alright. This will be my first time using it, and we'll see how it holds up in the rain. Tent's set up and ready to go, so I've got that, but there is really no way to build a shelter over this table like I was hoping. So fire is kind of alright because that's sort of under the trees here, so that'll certainly help. But yeah, as far as building something over the table, I haven't figured it out yet. Well, here we are. Camp. Got everything kind of put away before it got super wet. Got this little shelter built, which won't actually help the fire a whole lot, but it'll help me. I can kind of tuck under here and stay a little dry. So that's pretty successful. I should get my rain jacket before it starts pouring any harder. Well, all we can do now is hope. Honestly, if the campground host here wouldn't have given me some pine, I wouldn't have even got this far because this wood is super damp. So the campground host gave me a couple pieces of pine wood, and I just split that up into little pieces with my axe and managed to get this much going. Hopefully some of this stuff will kind of dry out, and I've got a little bit left for tomorrow, so. Alright, so I'm kind of trying to rush through this a bit. This is actually adapted from a craft recipe on their website that I found. I've been making this for a few years. It's really good, and I just thought it would work great for a camp meal. They didn't use ramen. What I like about the ramen is it just cooks up super fast. The sauce is Asian sesame dressing, toasted Asian sesame dressing, garlic powder, soy sauce, hot pepper flakes. You can add ginger if you want to. I don't care for ginger, and I didn't have any, so. There we're just basically waiting for the broccoli to soften up and the chicken and sauce to get warm. I'm a big fan of these. They're bamboozled. But since they're wood, you can throw them in the fire pit when you're done with them. These are soy ramen, which I've never tried before. I wasn't going to use a packet, but since it's soy sauce, and there's soy sauce in the other sauce as well. I put a little bit of green onion in the bottom, so that'll soften up and cook in the hot water. That's not bad. Salty, of course, but oh yeah. Man, it's super salty because of that packet, but the soy flavor. If you go with the soy sauce ramen, I bet just add the packet to that toasted sesame, Asian toasted sesame dressing. Throw some pepper flakes in there if you like some heat. You wouldn't even need to bring soy sauce. There you go. Hearty, filling. You could do 2 packets of chicken. It'd be even better. Just banging.
looks like we're gonna have to deal with rain probably most of the day. And hopefully I'll catch a little bit of time to tear down, pack up, and get back to the house. But we'll see. Breakfast, lunch. Hopefully we can accomplish all that. Good night. All right. It's 10:53. It's like, what, 56 degrees or 57 degrees. So plenty nice, comfortable in here. Cozy. I'm glad I brought the moto bed. I love this thing. This is basically just a big quilt. It's super comfortable.